Hey, it's Jennifer from Directly Jen. Thank you so much for ordering your horizontal business cards from us. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to upload those to Vistaprint right now. Super easy to do. So let's go ahead and click on business cards, then standard, and then for shape, we're going to click on, standard. Then we're going to go ahead and click upload our design, and we are doing horizontal. All right, so here we go. We're going to click on upload your design, and then we're going to go upload your logo or image. And then we are going to upload the front. I've already done it, so I'm just going to show you here though. You upload your front file, and then you upload your back file when it asks you to do that. So when we do the back. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm going to go ahead and click on that because I've already uploaded it. And then I'm going to click on add the back, and again, upload your design. And I'm going to click on upload your design, and you're going to go into that file when you go and click on upload logo or image, and then click your back design, and then put that in. And I'm going to go ahead and just do the one I've already uploaded. So then I'm going to click over here to next and look at my card. Looks pretty good. All right, yes, everything looks great. Continue. And then it's going to ask you to pick your paper style, your paper thickness, and your paper stock. I never usually go with glossy, and then sometimes I'll go with, I usually go with premium. So that's how you do that. And then you go ahead and just click on, and then leave standard, and then go ahead and click add to cart. They're going to try and sell you a bunch of extra stuff. Totally up to you. But it's kind of funny. I always say they're trying to sell me a bunch of extra crap I don't need. So then I'm going to go click continue, and then continue to cart. And now while I'm in my cart, I want to show you something super cool. So we've got this extension on Chrome. It's called Rakuten. And if you don't have it, I've sent you a link for it in your email. Now, I'm surprised at how many people don't know about Rakuten. I've been using it for years. It used to be called Ebates. You get cash back on a ton of different stores. So I actually just used it the other day on Anthropology. So it's always nice to get that cashback check. And you get $30 for signing up for it. And then I actually get $30 when you sign up too. So just being clear about that, so you know. But they have coupons too. But right now they've got this 40% off thing going on Vistaprint. So if that comes up, leave it. Don't use one of these coupons because it's not going to be as good. So that is how you do your horizontal business cards on Vistaprint. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and we will do our best to help you troubleshoot.